Just Tutors, and today we are going to learn about more in combustion. This is the continuation video of our previous video where we have discussed about introduction to combustion. So let us move forward with the subtopics of today. Let us have a look at the pre-assessment questions. You can please pause the video and try these questions, and once when you are done with them, you can resume it to check your answer. Well, pat your back for your great efforts. Now let us move with what are the types of combustion. There are two types of combustion, spontaneous and rapid. A rapid combustion is a combustion in which the substances burn rapidly. Heat and light are the byproducts, for example, burning of a matchstick, whereas a spontaneous combustion is a combustion process in which a material catches fire instantly, without any external cause. It is a sudden impulse. For example, a spontaneous combustion is burning of coal mines due to spontaneous combustion of coal. Forest fires are also one example when we talk about spontaneous combustion because of excessive heat or lightning. In spontaneous combustion, self-heating occurs, which raises the temperatures of the substances immediately. Heat, light, and sound are released instantly along with the gas when firecrackers are burnt. Such a reaction is called explosion. Now when we talk about flame is a hot glowing body of ignited gas that is generated by something on fire. Material like camphor, candle, kerosene stove form a flame when they are burnt or lighted. The substances which vaporize during burning gives rise to flame. Charcoal does not form flame because it does not vaporize. So now when we talk about structure of a flame, it has outer zone, middle zone, and inner zone. As you can see in this picture here, that's the outer zone, that's the middle zone, and that is inner zone. So outer zone. Complete combustion happens here. It is also known as non-luminous zone. It is the hottest part as there is plenty of oxygen surrounding the candle. It is generally blue in color. So when we talk about middle zone, incomplete combustion happens here and a lot of heat is generated. It is also called luminous zone. So now let us talk about middle zone. Incomplete combustion happens here and a lot of heat is generated. It is also called as luminous zone. It is yellow in color and it is moderately hot. Talking about inner zone, here is unburned wax vapor and so it is black in color. Molten wax moves up on burning the candle and vaporizes around the wick. The above reaction results in the formation of decomposed carbon particles, which creates a dark zone. It is least hot of all the zones. At the base of the flame, there is a bluish hue formed due to incomplete burning of carbon dioxide, resulting in the formation of carbon monoxide. Fuel. Materials that can produce heat and fire when burnt are called fuel. They are used for industrial as well as domestic purposes like petrol, kerosene, wood, charcoal, etc. So when we talk about fuel efficiency, it is the capacity of an engine, especially that of a vehicle, to obtain energy from fuel is known as fuel efficiency. The amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kilogram of fuel is called its calorific value. That's a table. Here we can see the fuel and the calorific value of each fuel. The calorific value of a fuel is expressed in a unit called kilojoule per kilogram. So what happens when burning of fuel leads to harmful products? Combustion of most of the fuels release carbon dioxide in excessive amounts in the atmosphere, which causes global warming. Incomplete combustion of fuels release poisonous gases like carbon monoxide. Unburned carbon particles released from carbon fuels like wood, coal, petrol act as air pollutants and cause respiratory diseases such as asthma. Sulfur dioxide is released when petrol and diesel are burnt, which is suffocating and a corrosive gas. So what can we do as a solution to it? CNG, or what we call as compressed natural gas, can be a very good solution to it as it is the cleaner fuel. So now let's just have a look at the practice questions. You can please pause the video and try these questions, and once when you are done with them, you can resume it to check your answers. Well, pat your back for your great efforts, and thank you so much for watching this video. For more, you can please log into justtutors.com.